Welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig riding her bike. Let's start drawing. At first, I'm going to draw Peppa's 2 eyes. Then her nose and the shape of her head. I draw her a smiling mouth and a circle for her cheek. Finally, her 2 ears. Great! I start to draw her body and one of her arms. Then her cute tail. Now I draw the handle of the bike and her other arm. Then her basket at the front. Now I draw the rest of her bicycle and her legs too. I finish it with the back wheel. In the background, I draw a hill and also some clouds and the sun. Great! Now I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. At first, I'm going to use this light pink color for Peppa's skin. Then a light purple for her cheek. I color the bell on the handle with aqua blue. I use yellow for the basket. I'm going to use this beautiful red color for Peppa's dress. For the bicycle, I'm going to use a darker shade of red. Did you know that Peppa Pig's favorite color is red? I use pink for the seat. I color the small details of the bike with dark blue. Let's use some light blue for the clouds. And some yellow for the sun. I color the hill with light green. I can almost smell the grass. Let's add some dark green to the grass too. Great job! Yippee! She looks amazing on her bike! If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel.